Hi everyone, welcome back to second session of Chanakya Niti. This is once again Dr. Prasanna T from Sagar. Today actually I have chosen one of the concept from Chanakya Niti which was given. That how a king rule in his dynasty with all developments of culturally, politically and economically. Here being an economics teacher, that it is very important to concentrate on some issues particularly relating to administrative and economic issues. That here also that I want to make a perception in my view, and also what perception is made by Chanakya is also I quoted here. Animals are those people who have not received any education. This is very, very important. And those who are not compassionate, no skills for anything, and those who know not what charity is. This is very, very important. If he is not having any charity over to the society, then how he could be to realize the facts and files of the people, those who are living in that kingdom or a dynasty. A person who has got knowledge or skill for something is richer than the rich who is not educated. That is also important concept put forwarded by Chanakya. One must look carefully before treading to avoid ditches or potholes. A project needs careful thought before being started. This is also a serious consideration to be considered nowadays. To benefit from someone's advice, a person must have capacity to imbibe or to receive. This is also very, very important from my point of view of concern. Okay, if anyone is asking to make help over, you must realize the fact that if you are expecting something, you always respect that person. A sieve collects no water. No looks can help a slow brine. This is serious issues which might be considered in the society itself. But more or less there is an issue that come up in my mind. A mirror in the hands of a blind person is of no use. This is a fact and file. The things should be considered in administrative issues and also to develop economic issues is concerned. Don't ever live with your relatives as a poor conceit. It will kill your self-respect and you will lose confidence with yourselves. It would be better to retreat some jungle and face it in a dangerous way. There you may lose your life, but the honor will be remain intact. It should be intact if you are experienced in the jungle, because the theory is also there and also practical experience you are going to get it in the forest. That you must get, and then reality should be a question and you should be answered, and then thereafter you are going to live in the society which is very much interested. The birds coverage on a tree in the evening to spend the night, but in the morning all of them fly in different direction in search of food. Man must learn a lesson from this. This is very, very important. We have to learn a lesson from birds, not only birds but all the animals, insects, bacteria. We must learn a lesson from insects also. This is what we learn. and what we consider in our real life. People come together and then they go their own ways to pursue their own interest. This is not irrational, but yes, we do agree that they are very much interested to do their own. And then they will consider their wife, their children, not to do any work or any contribution to the society. This is what, in my observation. The separation must not grieve that you, it is a law of nature. The brain power is greater than brass power. And nowadays, the people are think that yes, there is a power of bronze is concerned. I don't think so that bronze means the muscle power. What my perception is that muscle power is weaker than brain power. The physical power is what you call, it is not at all, it is very much what you call, give more concentration to particularly considering the administration issue, or you may considering of economic issues, or to develop a dynasty using of development of what you call culturally or religiously. This is also considered. And the brain as the winning edge. This is a serious concern made by Chanakya. I do agree with this concept. Yes, there is a serious edge over the brain, not by physical issues, but we have to use our own brain, and then we must put forward in near future in the course of time. Then there are tips on diets and nutritional food values from Chanakya, which do not conform to the theories of modern medical sciences. Not only in modern medical sciences, but also in many theories in economics mentioned about food. Say for example, Thomas Robert Malthus, in his population theory, he mentioned that there is an arithmetic issue and then geometric issue is there considering the growth of population and the production of food. This is very much considered. And then this is the serious perception that I compare with Chanakya issues, particularly in his Niti. Maybe it is because of the different situation, not different needs of the people of today. Those who are living in that dynasty, who is ruling that kingdom. Thank you very much. This is once again Dr. Prasanna T from Sagar. I request to my precious viewers, if you want to like or dislike or you want to make a comment, make it in a YouTube channel only. This is public domain. Once again, thank you very much.